From Rangil village, we went to a place named Laligat and kept all the machines in a storeroom. Then we went to another municipality named Narharinath in a small jeep. It took 2 hours to reach a place named Kotpada. We stayed over there for 4 days, visited numerous villages, met hundreds of families, checked their wiring and voltage, and over time, we selected 30 families, 17 families in Kotpada, and 13 families across the river on top of another mountain in a place named Lalu. Then we again came down to the storeroom, reserved a small jeep and put 30 machines in it, and then again went off the mountain. We emptied the small jeep at different locations. Going towards a village named Gotigaon, we reached very late at night around 8:30 p.m. This is Gotigaon. Mr. Surya, Mr. Sher Bahadur. From this village, we went to another village named Paltigaon. This is Paltigaon. Mr. Jogi Buddha. The husband works as a mason and the son works as an electrician. They learned the functions of the machine very quickly. From Paltigaon village to Kalashila village. This is Kalashila village. Mr. Gunje Kami, suffering from respiratory disease. Then we went to Vaisakal Toll village and helped 3 families. Mrs. Debu Kami. Mr. Mangal Bika. Mr. Dhakal Kami. Vaisakal told to Kumalgaon. This is Kumalgaon. Mr. Manbuda. Kumalgaon to Kanchabada. This is Kanchabada. Mr. Tapendra Bisht. Kanchabada to Dokana Toll. This is Dokana Toll. Mr. Prem Bika. Dokana Toll to Badal Chakha village. We helped 1 family over there. Mr. Chaitya Lohar. Badal Chakha village to Lamabada. This is Lamabada. Mr. Tulram. Mr. Azavi Bisht. Lamabada to Lovegate Toll. This is Lovegate Toll. Mrs. Manpura. Lovegate Toll to Jalebada. Mrs. Durga. Jalebada to Jukipani village. This is Jukipani village. Mrs. Dhansara. Extremely poor family. Jukipani village to Hasala Toll. This is Hasala Toll. Mrs. Nanda Bisht, very big family. After that, we distributed machines to 13 families of Lalu village. They put the machines in their wooden baskets, locally called toko. Then we walked with them to their villages, 3 hours of downhill and uphill trek. They were very excited to reach their houses as soon as possible and use the machines. After reaching Lalu village, first we went to the house of Mr. Jogesh. He is studying in grade 8 and unfortunately lost his both parents. Nowadays, he stays with his relatives. We set up his machine and made him understand all the functions. We also helped him with the keypad mobile phone so that he could call us sometimes. Mrs. Gorikala Bisht. Mrs. Lachi Bisht. Mr. Man Bahadur. Mr. Raju Bisht, Mrs. Jaipura, Mr. Lalijan Bisht, Mr. Katta Bisht, Mrs. Manna Bisht, Mr. Kahar Singh, Mr. Dharmraj Speaker, Mr. Himal, he lost his one hand, Mrs. Birsana, selected families learning about the machine. Then we came down to Lalighat, the place where we have kept the machines in a storeroom, loaded all the machines in a jeep going towards Subhakalika Rural Municipality. A very nice person named Mr. Milan helped us a lot with his jeep. It took us 5 to 6 hours to reach a place named Chowki. The route was very horrifying. The next morning, we woke up very early and went to all the nearby villages, met so many villagers and selected 11 families. Then we called all of them near the road and informed them about the machine. After that, we distributed the machines to all the 11 families. They requested to click a picture with us. Everyone was very excited. After that, we again went to all their houses for installing good quality wires, MCBs and switchboards. Doing the electrical work took the most time. Mrs. Sita Sunar, Mr. Nar Bahadur, Mrs. Padma Mahatara, Mr. Jani Sunar, then to the next village installing switchboards, Mr. Dadi Biswakarma. Mahadev Tol helped 3 families over there. Mr. Nanda, Mrs. Nana, Mr. Dhan Mahatara, Mahadev Tol to Swadan Tol helped 2 families over there. Mrs. Nirmala, Mr. Ajja Bahadur. Their one son can't see since birth. Swadan Tol to Kotagaon. Near the motor road, it was a downhill trek. Mrs. Sita, they didn't even have a meter box, so we did all the wiring and installed a meter. They became extremely happy.